If you want a crazy good deal and a one-time fee for a product that you can use for sales pages, funnels, course builder, then stay tuned to this video, because in this video, I am going to talk to you all about ThriveCart, why I decided to convert everything over to ThriveCart in my business in 2024. And then I'll give you a little behind the scenes tutorial into how easy it is to build out a course as well as to create a digital product, meaning your funnels and your sales pages and your sales cards inside ThriveCart. So first, let's talk about everything that is included inside of ThriveCart. ThriveCart is really like an all-in-one solution, unless you have a huge business and you really want to run multiple courses and you want to have a very active community. If you're looking for that, you're probably going to want to look either at like Circle or Kajabi. But for somebody who wants to build out digital courses or sell digital downloads or even do affiliate marketing products, and you need sales pages, you need funnels, you want somewhere to house your courses, you want to create lead magnets, you want to have webinar pages, and even have affiliates that can sell on your behalf, then ThriveCart makes a really, really, really good all-in-one solution. I have used a lot of different course builders and funnel builders out there, and I use Aweber for my email marketing. But a lot of times you're having to kind of like duct tape all of those products together or connect them via something like Zapier, and a lot of things can break down in the mix. So ThriveCart integrates with Aweber, so you can integrate your email marketing on the back end of either your lead magnets or your products or your course delivery. And you can also have affiliates selling on your behalf. A lot of times you need another piece of software if you want to include affiliates in your business. My absolute favorite part though is at the time of this recording, with an invite code, you can get a lifetime membership to ThriveCart for a one-time only fee. So as of the time of this recording, it is $495. If you decide you want to go ahead and do that, my link is lindsaysoul.me/ThriveCart, and I will put that in the description of this video. And what I actually recommend for most people is that they upgrade to the pro level membership, which is $690, because that allows you to also have the ability to grow and have affiliates as well. So I know that for me, even with just basic providers that were allowing me to house courses and build funnels, I was paying upwards of $50 to $100 a month. And that was for some pretty basic tools. So ThriveCart can literally save you hundreds and hundreds of dollars per year if you intend to have an online digital marketing business. So let's dive in actually inside of my ThriveCart so I can show you behind the scenes everything that is included. Okay, so here we are inside of ThriveCart, and as I said, I went ahead with the Pro version for $690, one-time fee. Now that's at the time of the recording. It may be different by the time you see this or you're watching this video or you're clicking on the link. They may have even eliminated it, so I'm not making any promises there. But I did go ahead and get the ThriveCart Pro so that I could not only build products, but also create affiliates. So you have a dashboard that will show you all your sales information, and then you have your products. And right here, you can create various products. I actually have a course. This is a sales page and sales cart for a course that I've created. I have an affiliate marketing product. So this is a sales page that I created based on a digital product that I'm an affiliate for that I do. It's called Master Resale Rights. So I keep 100% of the profits from that. And then this is a digital download that I've created. And so you can see there's a wide variety of products that you can create inside of ThriveCart. And I'll go through and show you in a second all of the different sales page and the cart options that you have. It's absolutely incredible. It's all modular, so you can put everything together the way you want. You can take things away, you can add stuff. There's also upsells pages. I haven't created those yet, and downsell pages, so you can create an entire sequence after someone checks out. If you want to add in upsells or downsells to your offer, you can do that. You can create coupon codes, and you can do split testing all inside of the products. Now, there's also the transactions tab. You can create JV partnerships inside of ThriveCart. And I also love that they have this new Learn, which is their course builder inside of ThriveCart. What's so cool about this is I like that I can do everything in one place, and Learn comes with your membership. So if you want to just have the basic Learn membership, you'll be able to build out courses inside of ThriveCart. If you decide that you want Learn Plus, then you can also create bundles. You can create advanced sequences inside of your courses. So you can kind of gamify your course, where if somebody complete certain modules, you can unlock a bonus course for them. You can actually also set it up so that they only have a specific length of time that they can access your courses. You can let team members access the ThriveCart, and they can help you, edit modules or build out your courses. So let's say you're the content creator, but you don't want to do all of the back end work. You can bring one of your team members on, give them access through that, have featured content. There's a lot more services with Learn Plus, but if you're just getting started with course creation, I truly believe that just having the ability to build out your courses in here is plenty. In fact, I haven't upgraded to Learn Plus yet. It might be something I do in the future, but this has been just enough for me at this point. So I've just gotten started with ThriveCart. I just decided to jump in for 2024, and I've already been able to take one of my courses, which was my email marketing bootcamp, and build it out inside of ThriveCart. So if we wanted to create a new course, I'm just going to go through here and do test course for you. You could upload your course logo and a profile image, put your name here. My name is Lindsay Sewell. Most amazing course. But obviously you would actually put information in here about what the course description is, your support email, and then here's where you can choose the layout for the course. Do you want to have, I've chosen this sidebarred one. I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and create, I have to put in a URL where people can contact me for support. All right, so now I'm inside of here, and it's as easy as building out your first module. So I can create a module, and I'm gonna call it Test Module 1. And once I have created my modules, I can simply drag to add the lesson. So test lesson 1. And once I click through inside of my lesson, you can see that they have dropped in some of this just general text, giving you an outline of what you can do. You can, if you wanted to do a video course, you can drag in your video elements, and then all you need to do is find your embed code, either if you're saving your videos inside of Vimeo or if you're saving them in YouTube. So let's head over to YouTube. I'll show you from my channel. So if you come over here to your YouTube video, let's say you've saved it as unlisted, I can go ahead, click the share button and click embed. And then I am going to just copy this embed code and head back over to ThriveCart, type it in here, and you can see my videos embedded. Also, you can adjust the video size. So if you want that to fill out the full screen, maybe you want to add a button at the bottom. Hold on, let's go back to elements. Maybe you want to add a button. Come here, button. Right here for them to download a PDF that goes along with your video. So you can customize very easily and very quickly everything inside of the course. You can change colors to make them your brand colors on the buttons, and you can, make that button direct to wherever it is. So it could go to maybe a Google Docs folder where you wanted to give them something to download. Maybe it's going to take them to some sort of other bonus that is housed off of your course if you have that. And then I'll go ahead and save this as draft. And then once I'm done, I would hit publish, and we can go back and see what my actual course looks like that I have completely loaded into ThriveCart. Okay, so if we go ahead and preview, this is what it would look like for somebody coming in to my ThriveCart email marketing bootcamp. So I haven't set up the welcome yet, so that one is blank. But if I click on to lesson 1, you can go ahead and see that I've pulled videos that I had recorded on my Zoom and saved in my Vimeo. I've embedded them here, and I haven't typed much of other information into here because this video course really is pretty self-explanatory with the videos, but I could elaborate and I could really like fill this out if I wanted to. It would be very easy. And when people click continue, it will simply take them right into their next lesson. Okay. So that's how easy it can be to build out your courses inside of ThriveCart. Let's take a look at one of the products that I've created. So here's actually the sales page for the email marketing bootcamp. So if you were starting your new product from scratch, you would click on the product to create a new product, and then you would be able to put in the product name. You would get to set the pricing for the product if you want to collect sales tax, and you can add in an order bump if you want for the product. You can choose, I have Stripe activated, I could activate PayPal as well. And here's where I've been able to set up 50% commissions for my affiliates. So once I've gone ahead and selected all of those options, then I can also decide how am I going to fulfill this product. So in my case, it is going to go to the membership site, which is inside of Learn in ThriveCart. But you can also send them to a different URL if you are housing your courses somewhere else, or you can just, after they purchase, display their total on their invoice. And if you're going to do that, you're going to definitely want to make sure that under behavior rules, you're adding them to your email so that you can send them an email which directs them to how you're going to fulfill that product. So for instance, for any of my affiliate products, I simply connect them with an email that is delivered to them that gives them their login and their password information for the affiliate site that they have purchased access to. For my digital download products, I'm simply sending them an email that has a link to where they can download all of those digital assets. So depending on what kind of product you're creating and what you want to, how you want to fulfill that, you will make sure that you are changing, where that behavior is sending people and also what you select in fulfillment. Once you have all of that done, then you can go to this checkout page and you can start designing it in the editor. Well, unfortunately, ThriveCart and Zoom are not playing friendly, so it's not letting me open the editor right now. So I did just want to take you through a quick and simple sales page that I have already created for one of my products, the Digital Dynamo Toolkit, so you can see what they end up looking like. So first and foremost, this is a module up here where you can add your logo and then your headline. You can add some bullet points about your product. This is an image, but it could also be a video. So this is one of the templates that they provided that I followed pretty closely because it's a very clean and simple template for just selling like a lower ticket product. Here I'm showing that we have a 30% off sale on the toolkit right now. And then there's a few more details about what people are going to get with this product, how to figure out if this toolkit is for them, and a few more bullets at the bottom, and then where they can make the purchase. So once they enter their name and their email address, then they'll be taken to the next page where they can enter their credit card information. This is kind of a neat little option that I found, is that they can click this button if they also want to be subscribed to your general email marketing list. So this is a great way for you to not only be able to get buyers for your products, but to be able to add them to your larger email marketing list so that you can continue marketing and selling to them. So you can see that this is a really pretty quick, easy, simple sales page. If you were going to sell a higher ticket item, then you could go through and add more, details to it, such as a video or more information about what they're going to get. If it's like a 6-week program, you could let them know what they're going to receive and learn every single week. All of the colors, everything inside of here is editable, so you can really make it branded to you. So like I said before, I am really loving ThriveCart. It's super simple to use. It really, for, I would say, anybody who is like a solopreneur or you're just getting started with digital products courses, this is an ideal product for you because it is that one-time payment for lifetime access, and it could save you potentially hundreds and hundreds of dollars per year. So I hope this video was valuable. If you want to give ThriveCart a try, lindsaysoul.me/ThriveCart is the invite code for you to get that special one-time payment offer. I'll see you in the next video.